Alright, welcome. Today we're going to be trying to solve for x in this graph. So what I'm going to do is just to try to solve every single angle first, just get more information. So first thing I noticed that this is equal to 86, and this angle is actually, and this angle, these two are vertical angles because they're across from each other in this intersection. And vertical angles are congruent, which means they're equal. So guess what? These are equal. And then for this angle right here, this angle and this angle are adjacent. And when two angles are adjacent in this intersection right here, then they form a linear pair. And angles in a linear pair are supplementary, which basically means they add up to 180. So I'm going to get out my calculator and do 180 minus 86. And that's 94. So this is equal to 94 because, well, they're supplementary, and 86 plus 94 equals 180. And to find this angle right here, well, this one's pretty easy because this angle and this angle are vertical angles. Or you can just make it these two form a linear pair. Either way, it will still be 94. Now let's try this angle right here, this blue one down here. So this angle right here, well, this angle and this angle, these are same side interior angles, which basically means these are corresponding angles, and corresponding means they're on the same side of this intersection. So corresponding, same side, interior, which means they're in between these two parallel lines, and angles, because they're angles. So these are same side interior angles. And well, same side interior angles are supplementary. So that means that they add up to 180. So this one is 94. Now I'm going to try to find this angle right here, this red one right here. There's many ways that you can do this. I'm going to use this angle again, and this angle, well, these are alternate interior angles because they are on two different sides of this intersection, and they're both in between the parallel lines. So this angle and this angle, these are same side, not same side, these are alternate interior angles. So this is also equal to 86. Alright, for this angle right here, there's many different ways to do it, but I'm just going to use this angle right here. So this angle right here and this angle, these are what we call alternate exterior angles because, well, they're on two different sides of the intersection and they're both outside of the parallel lines instead of inside of them. So these two are alternate exterior. So this is 86. And now for this angle, there's many different ways you can do them, but I'm just going to use, for example, I'm going to use this angle again. This angle and this angle, these are what we call same side exterior. So they're on the same side and they're both outside of the inside of the parallel lines. So, this and this same side exterior angles, well, these are supplementary. So this one is equal to 94. And I don't know if I said it, but alternate exterior angles are congruent. I don't think I said that earlier, but I said it now. Alright, so now we have every angle, but now we just need to figure out x. Now, since we have this angle right here, this 41, and we have this 86, and we have this 94, there's two different methods that we can use. First method is called triangle sum theorem, which basically means 41 plus 86 plus this is equal to 180. Basically, these three angles are supplementary. That is what we call triangle sum theorem. And we can also use another method called triangle exterior angle theorem, which basically means this 41 plus x plus 27 is equal to 94. So actually, for some extra verification, I'm actually just going to do both the methods because then that will just prove it even more. So let's start off with triangle sum theorem. So these three equal 180. So x plus 27 plus 41 plus 86. So first of all, equal 180. So I'm going to take out my calculator, and I need to combine the like terms. So 27 plus 41 plus 86, and that's equal to 154. So x plus 154 equals 180. Now what we do is we do 180 minus 154. So because we do the opposite of this, so we got x equals, and I'm just going to type in my calculator, 180 minus 154 equals 26. So x equals 26. So that this is when we use triangle sum theorem. And we're gonna check our answer again and do triangle exterior angle theorem. And basically it goes like this. This 41 right here, because it's not gonna be the angle that's adjacent to this exterior angle over here. It's gonna be the two across from it. So basically x plus 27 plus 41 is equal to 94. So, well, you know what? We're going to combine the like terms just like we did here. So, calculator, 27 plus 41 is equal to 68. So, x plus 68 equals, 86, equals 94. Now that we have that, what we're going to do is, well, we're going to do 94 minus 68. And just basic algebra, you know? So 94 minus 68 is equal to 26. So we've officially verified that x is equal to 26. And I can box this. Box. Because you do that. You box your final answer. And well, that's the end of this tutorial, I guess. This took me like 1 hour of attempts. I'm so bad at explaining.